I'm video recording your sleepy sneezes. Got any more left in there? What are you screaming for while you do it? Thackeray has what's called fatigue sneezing. We call it sleepy sneezes. And basically, anytime he gets tired, he sneezes. It happens to a lot of people. He doesn't seem to mind it too much. It really helps him wake up some.
It really helps me wake up forever.
Yeah, keeps you awake once you start sneezing, doesn't it? Yeah, stop screaming, you silly. You're gonna wake up Grandpa. Fatigue sneezing over? Nope. Sock's inside out.
This sock?
We just woke up at 6 o'clock and it's 6:13 and Thackeray didn't start sneezing until about 5 minutes ago. And they should be over soon. Thackeray, do you want to put this on your YouTube channel? Or my YouTube channel?
Mine.
Alright, we'll put them on both.
Yeah.
Are you all done sneezing?
Yeah.
Okay.